So today's tense is present perfect tense. Now you all know we have already written in the tenses changes. Their present perfect tense changes into past perfect tense. So my dear students, the first example of present perfect, you know the formula of present perfect. Perfect formula subject plus has, have plus verb 3 plus object will turn into past perfect in place of this has and have, had. So remember, my dear students, present perfect will turn into past perfect. So here we go with the example. First example we'll see. We'll take the first example. Same, Ravi said, comma. You can write along with me. Ravi said, I have done my work. We took the sentence, I do my work, I'm doing my work, and now I have done my work. Very simple. Ravi said. Present perfect turns into past perfect. Remember this. You already know, but I'm still writing. Ravi said, comma, that. Ravi said that this I, who is the speaker? Ravi. So he. Ravi said that he have. Present perfect will turn into had. He had done. Okay. This is also verb 3 and this is also verb 3. Done. My is work. Full stop. That's your answer. Ravi said that he had done his work. Very simple and sober. I hope you people understood. So here we go with some more examples. Now I have so many funny and comic examples. Yesterday you people were laughing a lot, and here we go with some more examples. So I'll dictate the rest of the examples, and I hope you people will write. So here I go. Are you all ready? Avinash, Colin, Rajesh. We have watched Suryavanshi movie in our cell phone. Next example. Khushi said to Samrita, you have eaten 100 pani puri in Valsad. Last example. Rajdeep said to Chaitanya, you have written a love letter to Katappa. Okay, 3 sentences you have got. You have 1 minute time. 60 seconds are there and you people will solve in 60 seconds. Your time starts now. Come on, everyone. Solve the answer right now. One example is right there in front of you on the board, and you can see how present perfect gets converted into past perfect. All of you. Come on, try. Very simple. Kunj, please tell me the answer of the first question. We don't have time much.
Avinash told Rajesh that they had watched Suryavanshi movie in their cell phone.
Absolutely right. Okay. Great. Second sentence. Who will answer? Samrita will answer.
Khushi said to Samrita, you have eaten 100 pani puri in Valsad. Question that was answer. Khushi told Samrita that she had eaten 100 pani puri in Valsad.
Absolutely right. Good. Last sentence. Who will read? Chaitanya or Rajdeep? Out of you two, anyone will have to read.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, please. Rajdeep, yeah.
Rajdeep told Chaitanya that he had written a love letter to Katappa.
Right. Okay, I hope your voice was a bit breaking up, but I hope your answer is right. So, my dear students, I hope you have understood the present perfect, how it gets converted into past perfect. Very simple. Now see, when it comes within you that yes, I have understood, because you have understood the formula. आपको formula याद है ना, इसीलिए आप बहुत आसानी से solve कर पा रहे हैं. So please keep in your mind, this is the formula of present perfect. Then what is the formula of past perfect? Subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Keep that in the mind. So this is the third tense. Now we'll go on the fourth one. Present perfect continuous tense gets converted into past perfect continuous tense. And here we are writing the example. The same example will take. Ravi said, I have been doing my work. Ravi said. Now this is present perfect continuous tense. The formula subject plus has, have, okay, has, have here been plus verb 1 plus ing, been plus verb 1, do plus ing, doing plus object. So subject plus has have plus been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. That is your present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense get converted into past perfect continuous tense. Example, Ravi said, I have been doing my work. Ravi said that he had been doing his work. Very simple. You can write the answer. Ravi said that he had been doing his work. The formula of past perfect continuous tense, subject plus had plus been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. The second example, here we go. Chhagan, Magan means Chhagan said to Magan. The students of class 10th A have been washing the clothes of the students of class 10th B. Clear? Audible? Everyone? Written? Here we go with the next example. Kamlesh sir, Kanak sir. Poonam ma'am has been counting the money in your office since morning. Kamlesh sir said to Kanak sir, क्या बोले Kamlesh sir? Poonam ma'am has been counting the money in your office since morning. लिखा आपने? Done? All of you? Written? थोड़ा lengthy sentence है, but simple one. Okay, you get 30 seconds. 30 seconds to solve these two sentences. Come on, everyone. Present perfect continuous tense. Your time starts now. Done?
Chhagan told Magan that the students of class 10A had been washing the clothes of class 10B.
Oh, great. Your answer is absolutely right. Now see, first of all, when I'm giving you such funny sentences, please do not mind when I'm taking the name of anyone. Okay, it's just a fun, so that you should enjoy these sentences. Okay? I'm trying to make those such type of sentences and all that. But please don't take it personally. Okay? This is just for the learning purpose. We'll give you the answer of. Come on, from the girl side, I want to hear Savya, Yashvi. Come on, Savya, Yashvi, who is that?
Sir, Savya.
Yeah, Savya, please.
Kamlesh sir said to Kanak sir, Poonam ma'am has been counting money in your office since morning. Kamlesh sir told Kanak sir that Poonam ma'am had been counting the money in his office since the morning.
Okay. This sentence is just for the fun. Okay, don't take it like that. Otherwise, you people will convey this message to Poonam ma'am or Kanak sir. This is just for the fun. So yes, it's right. So I hope you have understood the present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense बस थोड़ा दिखने में ऐसा लंबा है formula. There isn't anything. Present perfect continuous tense turns into past perfect continuous tense. Remember, formula base है, कुछ भी नहीं है. Tenses तो बहुत simple है दोस्तों. और आएगा जब आप WH question दिखोगे, exclamatory, okay, imperative. That time the things will become more challenging. Now tenses based nothing is there. Okay, like very difficult. So here we have completed the 4 tenses: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Here we go on the 5th one, simple past tense. Are you all ready? Simple past tense gets converted into past perfect. यहाँ पर बच्चे थोड़ा ज्यादा कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. Whenever you have, जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ ना, तो आप मेरे शब्दों के ऊपर ध्यान भी दीजिए और नोटबुक में थोड़ा लिखना भी चालू रखें. Just के क्विकली लिखो भी, but please before going to write समझना बहुत जरूरी है. Once you understand, that is very important. एक बार समझ गए तो फिर आप लिख तो कभी भी सकते हो. That's there. But first of all, understand. And why we are writing? We are writing because that we should remember for the longer time. लंबे समय तक हम याद रख सके, इसलिए हम लिख भी रहे हैं. So that's why simple past gets converted into past perfect. The formula of simple past: subject plus verb 2 plus object, subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Past perfect हमने already सीखा क्योंकि present perfect gets converted into past perfect. तो उसमें past perfect हमने already convert किया ही है. So now one more example. Example means the one example which we are taking in all the tenses. The same example. Ravi said, "I did my work yesterday." So now, what will be the answer of this question? So here we go. Ravi said, "Is there anybody who would like to try?" किसी को कोशिश करनी? Anyone? Come on. Free to
Ravi
speak.
said that he had done his work a day before.
Done his work yesterday.
Previous day.
Ravi said that he had done his work on the previous day. That's your answer. Yesterday will get converted into previous day. Remember, my dear students, I hope you have understood. So shall we go with the example? अगर आप इसको समझ चुके हो तो आंसर आप खुद भी लिख सकते हो. Okay, there isn't anything. So here we go. Example. Udit Malhar, I took bath today. Next example. Sneha colon Mr. Modi. Sneha colon. Okay, Sneha said to the Prime Minister, okay, Mr. Modi. तो स्नेहा जी ने क्या कहा मोदी जी से? कटप्पा killed बाहुबली last year. Last year नहीं, last के भी last year. But no problem. You're just right. Katappa killed Bahubali last year. Double inverted comma gets closed. Full stop. Next example, third one. Sheila Munni. Sheila Munni. I purchased China Mobile yesterday. I hope आप लिख रहे हो, everyone.
Yes, sir.
So these are the three sentences with you. Come on, you get 40 seconds. 40 seconds are there with you people, and come on, I want the answers in the 40 seconds. All of you.
So done.
Okay. So done, all of you. Who will give me the first answer? Udit.
Udit told Malhar that he had taken a bath that day.
Okay. Right. Who will give me the answer of second sentence?
Can I?
Come on. Yeah, please. That's great.
Question. Sneha, Mr. Modi, Katappa killed Bahubali last year. Answer. Sneha told Mr. Modi that Katappa had killed Bahubali in the previous year.
The last sentence. Who will try?
I can.
Sheila told Muni that I purchased China Mobile previous year.
Sir,
I-
can I?
Yeah, please. You used only I only. You means pronoun change.
Sir, may I?
Pronoun. Both of them are females. Yes, Malhar, try. Malhar, try.
Sheila said to Munni that she had purchased a China mobile a day before.
No, wrong.
Sir, can I?
Sir,
Yeah,
can I?
please.
Sheila told Munni that she purchased China Mobile previous day.
She purchased. Wrong.
She.
Sir, can I?
She purchased.
Had purchased.
He had purchased. So please, जल्दबाजी में मिस्टेक मत करो. Sheila told Munni. ये तुमने बराबर कहा. Sheila told Munni that she had purchased. मल्हार ने गलती कर दी. मल्हार ने पीछे का सही बोला, लेकिन Sheila said to Munni ऐसा बोल दिया. जब स्पीकर और लिसनर दोनों होते हैं तो told हो जाएगा. Sheila told Munni that she had purchased. चलिए, let's come back to the sixth tense now. My dear students, थोड़ा quick होना पड़ेगा हमें, जरा speed बढ़ानी पड़ेगी. Past continuous tense. Sixth, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, simple past tense. Past continuous gets converted into past perfect continuous. Subject plus was, verb plus verb one plus ing plus object. Subject plus had plus been plus verb one plus ing plus object. Past continuous gets converted into past perfect continuous tense. Here is the example. Ravi said, I was doing my work this morning. I was doing my work this morning. Can anybody try? Past continuous gets converted into past perfect continuous tense, जो हमने already practice कर लिया है present perfect continuous tense में. Present perfect continuous tense का convert होता है past perfect. Yes, please.
Ravi said that he had been doing his work this morning. That morning.
Read the answer once again.
Yes, sir. Ravi said that he had been doing his work that morning.
Morning will get converted into that morning. I hope so. Absolutely right answer. आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. We have the examples of this tense we'll do tomorrow because we have less time. So I hope you have understood these. You can even, if you get the examples of your own, you can try with that and solve the examples of past continuous tense.